animal wey be say dem no get space, wey no suppose enter there, Bible say animal enter free of charge. But the human being wey suppose dey there original, dem miss am because something dey wrong somewhere wey dem miss, and wetin we no suppose miss for we own life today. Make we continue. Now for Matthew 24 verse 39, see wetin Bible still talk. Make we see wetin Bible talk. He said dem no know wetin dey happen until water come carry them go. Now like that it go be when man pikin go come. Dem no know wetin dey happen until the water come carry all of them go. Say na like that. Now wetin Jesus dey talk. Na like that it go happen. It go be when man pikin go come. Meaning say these people no know. They no know wetin dey happen, wetin dey come until time don finish, until e don late. Wetin be their major problem? Their major problem that time, wey no suppose be our major problem today, na say ignorance. Their ignorance na kill them. Na their ignorance na cause their destruction. And now that ignorance, if we don't take time, if he put us for one chance, but may God help you, make it help me and you, so that it no go happen like that. Now, God Jesus still tell us the exact way the whole thing go repeat itself before that second time where it go show, alias the rapture. We don't see say na ignorance. They no know wetin dey happen. So now make we enter the matter. Wetin be the thing wey dem no know, wey make it be say the water come carry them as it destroy them. So right now, 7 things wey I write down here, wey I'm going to share with you, and I want make you give them attention, because these 7 things fit affect the way we dey reason, and if it be the thing wey go change your life forever as you pay attention. Make we enter the matter.